Every time I hear the big saw, I get hot. These are my supplies to make a coffee without a coffee machine. Pot with handy mug. So for the fun of things, I'm probably going to clear a spot in here for hangout, for temporary, and is finishing, you can't barely see it, but he's trying to do the thumb, which is a huge job considering our resources.
It's your first job on the property.
Freaking!
Woo! Look at that! Look at
Something right there.
Oh damn!
He started over here and then he went over there. Now he's been huffing and puffing.
You huffing, buddy?
Told him to protect. He doesn't need to wear that. I just did it because he was huffing.
Yeah.
I didn't want him to get in a scrap with anything.
Scrapping, buddy.
What's the most common animal you saw? Alright, let's go get some groceries real quick. Something fucking banging around, and of course it's probably a freaking ratchet strap from the bike. Okay, hopefully it's not in the tire. Right on the highway. My favorite.
Okay. Bye-bye. Okay. So I'm trying to find a little back road here. See if we can get on our property from the logging roads. But I'm gonna call Kirsty real quick and see if I can get her on the radio. See if it actually goes this far.
Frequency mode.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I doubt she'll be able to hear me, but we'll try. Kirsty, Kirsty, Kirsty. Nothing. Nada. Alright, we'll keep going. Check the map and we'll keep going. Well, this is blocking us from trying to get where we're going. This sucks. think it's gonna work. I'll just prop up this bucket with some of these big posts. Prop the bucket up, pull the pin out, and I'm gonna be able to push this guy up, drop her down. Should work out, hopefully. I don't want to have to rent another machine or something silly, so hopefully this will do. This is Princess Auto's cheapest engine crane, by the way. It's only got like 4 wheels, not even a 6-wheel one. Yep. It's kind of like science.
Really fucking thick.
Couldn't even see the tag here from where you're standing.
That one, oh yeah, definitely not. Tyler's in the thick.
Okay, so got the bucket propped up here, and now I'm just ready to pull the pin out. So I've got this guy kind of propped up so I can hammer that guy in, push the pin out, then I should be able to bring the thumb up to the bucket here, put the pin in, and away we go. Okay, so I've got this pin strapped to my truck. I'm pretty sure this ratchet's not going to be enough, and I might have to use this chain hoist. Hoping not, because that's a really big pain. But we're going to try. I'm going to lift the arm a little bit, and we're going to see if we can pull her out. Maybe a little hammer action. We'll see what happens. Okay, I was totally unsuccessful, and I basically just ended up putting the pin back in because I realized that this side has a taper on it, so that's the side that I should be pounding out. And so basically this is kind of like mushroomed out right there, and that's preventing me from pounding it in that way. And I'm kind of stupid for that because this side has a taper on it, so it can go that way and not catch on anything and not be a problem. So I'm probably going to rearrange everything. I was pulling the pin from my truck from the side of the frame, and that was just pulling my truck over. Obviously it was too light, so I'm gonna try and pull it from the front, but I'm gonna need to like maybe rearrange somehow. Maybe I'll get the excavator backed in there, and then my truck backed in up here or something like that, so I can pull from the front, and then should be a lot easier then, hopefully. weight let me take most of it.
It's not that heavy. Radio's on.
Okay,
Okay.
I don't have a lot of time because it's not moving.
Yeah.
So this